Hey loves! Ready to wake up with that fresh, dewy Korean glass skin? Tonight, I'm showing you a super easy, realistic nighttime routine using only natural home remedies. It's gentle, effective, and trust me, your skin will thank you. Let's get into it. Step 1. Double cleansing. First step, double cleansing. K-Beauty is all about clean, clear skin as a base for glow. Start with oil cleansing. Take a bit of coconut or olive oil. Massage gently into dry skin to melt away makeup and sunscreen. Then use a gentle second cleanser. Try this. Mix gram flour with rose water or yogurt. It's antibacterial and exfoliating but won't strip your skin. Double cleansing clears pores, removes buildup, and preps your skin to absorb all the good stuff later. Even though it's gentle, using it daily can dry out or irritate sensitive skin. Stick to 2 to 3 times a week. Step 2. Rice water toner. Next up, rice water toner. Soak 1/2 cup of rice in water for 30 minutes, strain, and store the liquid in a bottle. Use a cotton pad or just your hands to press it into your skin. Rice water is rich in vitamins B and E, known to even out skin tone, reduce dullness, and boost hydration naturally and soften your skin over time. Homemade rice water. Spoils easily, store in the fridge and toss after 2 to 3 days. Step 3. Overnight honey and aloe serum. For your serum step, mix a teaspoon of aloe vera gel with a tiny drop of honey. Massage it into your skin using upward strokes. Aloe calms and hydrates. Honey is naturally antibacterial and locks in moisture. Together, they give your skin that smooth, plump texture overnight. Step 4. DIY cooling sheet mask. For that glassy, plump look, hydration is key. Place chilled cucumber slices or cotton pads soaked in green tea over your eyes and layer them on your face for 5 to 10 minutes. This reduces puffiness, dark circles, and gives your face a fresher, more awake look by morning. Step 5. Lock it in with natural moisturizer. To finish, seal it all in with a nourishing moisturizer. You can use aloe vera again or a few drops of jojoba oil. For extra dry skin, a tiny bit of pure ghee can work wonders overnight. This step keeps everything you've applied locked in, so your skin can repair, hydrate, and glow while you sleep. And there you have it. Easy, natural steps to Korean glass skin right at home. Try this routine 2 to 3 times a week and you'll start seeing that glow up. If you found this helpful, give it a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button and let me know your favorite tip in the comments. See you next time.